Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, CIY Reviews. Today I will be doing the TikTok version. The regular Alfredo, I love broccoli and chicken, or either broccoli and shrimp in mine. So yeah, I have my ground beef. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the whole thing. Since the hamburger meat big, I don't know if I want to use like 1.5. I'm going to be using also my Alfredo, and I know it's in a can, and it's going to remain in the can until I pour it out into the pot. Because who's going to make their own sauce right now? Not me. Right, my seasonings, I got the fish fry seasoning, the diet complete seasoning, garlic powder. It's in an onion I'm going to mix up, as well as my noodles. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm going to get started. Okay, I mixed up the onions. I have it on medium heat. I'm just going to break it down. And just season it, no measurement, just season it liberally. My ground beef cooked, so I'm gonna drain it out. Now I know a lot of people use that TikTok thing. I think it's from TikTok with the paper towel and stuff like that. I don't like to use that. First of all, I don't buy paper towel all the time. That's first off. And they said, "Oh, you see all this? I just don't like that method." All right, so I drained it. So I'm gonna put in my one can of sauce right now to see what it's looking like. Now you know I'm gonna use some water to get this out. Okay, I decided I'm just gonna use that one can because I really don't need all that. And I got it to medium, just simmering a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it off. So I'm gonna cook the rest of the way in the oven. I already drained it, so I'm gonna show you my next step. Okay, I have stove turned off, and I have my shrimp that's seasoned with the seasoning that I use for the ground beef. I'm just gonna put it in here. Now usually I cook my shrimp, however it don't take that long, and since it's gonna cook in the oven. When I was mixing the onions, I still got a little bit left over, so what I'm gonna do is scrape that in here, have more flavor. Okay, so I have all my onions in there. Now I'm gonna put in my Alfredo. And I forgot to show y'all too in the beginning, I have some it's actually pretty good. So I have 2 of these, and I'm just gonna put this in here as well. Okay, I went ahead and spread it all out. Now I don't know how I forgot to show y'all the cheese. 6 cheese Italian, and yeah, it come with all this, y'all. I ain't finna read it out. So I put all the cheese on there, and then I went ahead and put the meat sauce. We just lay it on top and spread it out. Now put some more cheese on it and put it in the oven. Now I'll let you know how long it cooked and what I put it on. Okay, on 450 for about 14 minutes. This is how it look, y'all. Yes. You can't tell this don't look good. Just gonna put a little parsley on it. I'm just let this cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna dig into it. I'm just get a little bit out first. And y'all see this cheesy pools. Probably been resting about 10 minutes. I wanted to come out better than this. This ain't the time to show out. There ain't no time to show out, but you know what I mean? Get the little parts I left, or should I say the spoon left. And she got that shrimp in there, baby. I get a little more cheese. Cheese gonna go in my spaghetti. Yes, y'all. Try to get to it. I'm trying to get it all. The shrimp, cheese, hamburger. It's giving delicioso. Like, just give me another minute. I'm gonna try this combination again. Good, just like I thought it would. Oh my goodness, it's giving toe. Now let's see my lights. Toe jams? No, yeah, wow. It's giving toe. Like, I put my foot in it. I don't know who came up with that. Like, I don't want nothing that somebody don't put their foot in cooking it. I know it's just a terminology, but please, refrain from using it with me. I don't want nobody to put their foot in there. This is good. The pasta sauce and the Alfredo sauce, it work well together. And then that shrimp is with the extra, with the you already got the meat from the ground beef, but that shrimp, and it's not rubber either. Well, it shouldn't, because I need to cook it on the stove before I put it in the oven. And like I said, I always put cheese in my spaghetti. I love cheese in my spaghetti. Fire! It's giving fire. But yeah, what would I rate this? Y'all already know. 10 out of 7. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Hit that recipe, but my recipe, hit my recipe up. Hit this recipe up. Y'all have a blessed day.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to put the brown sugar to bounce it off. You can use any type of sugar, but I have brown sugar. I forgot to put that in, but I really don't even need it. Now I usually use that to cut the acidity, and I like that combination of just a little hint of sweetness. Now I don't make it extra, it don't make it sweet. However, I don't mind. I like my spaghetti sweet and unsweet. However, it don't need it though. But I might try another. Well, I'm gonna try it again probably tomorrow if the Lord's will. But put a little sugar in it to make it just a little sweet. To see if I'm gonna turn it up a little notch. Turn that down a little. Oh yeah, it's fun. I don't eat all the sugar, baby. Out of here. Oh yeah, that's about it, y'all.
A few moments later.
So I keep coming back on here. I done finished my video a little while ago. It was some spaghetti, and it was the vodka sauce. Now I didn't make the vodka sauce; it came in the can. Like with the Alfredo mixed with the spaghetti sauce. That's what it's giving. Except for it don't taste like a little bit of vodka. It don't taste like vodka, but the creaminess of the color, it's giving that video. Yeah, if you didn't see it, go check it out. Man, let me get off the screen for the last time. Hopefully, well, for today. Y'all blessed.